Welcome back, everyone. My name is Aly. I'm a dietitian here with Cross of Idaho, and today we're going to be making a super quick and easy summer salad. Watermelon and cucumbers. It's going to go great at any summertime picnic. So let's go ahead and get started. So we will start with just some chopped watermelon and cucumbers. All right, and we're going to combine those together with a little bit of fresh mint and a little bit of sugar just to help bring out a little bit of sweetness. And then we will brighten it up with a bit of lime juice. All right. And this can be made ahead of time. About a day ahead of time is gonna be totally fine. So it's something that the flavors are gonna get more intense as they sit together. And there we have it, a super quick and easy summer salad, super refreshing. It can be made ahead of time and it's gonna be perfect for those summertime cookouts. Remember to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, and be sure to comment below what kinds of things you'd like to see on the show. We will see you next time.